In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manus AI for stock analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a fresh analysis, add your own reference materials, and craft prompts that get clear, actionable insights, all while keeping your data safe and your workflow simple. First, open your browser and head to the Manus web app. Give the page a moment to load so all the tools initialize properly. You'll land in a clean workspace designed for research-driven conversations. Think of this as your analysis hub, where each session can focus on a specific company, theme, or strategy. Next, look for the plus icon. This is your starting point for a new analysis thread. Clicking it creates a fresh space so your questions, files, and results stay organized and don't mix with previous work. It's a small step that pays off later when you want to revisit conclusions or compare sessions. Now choose Add from Local Files. This lets you upload materials you want Manus to reference, things like company filings, investor decks, research notes, or exported data you're comfortable sharing. Pick only what you need and avoid anything sensitive or unrelated to the stock you're studying. Clear file names help you keep track of what you've included. After selecting files, wait for the upload to complete. You'll usually see a quick indicator when they're ready. With your sources in place, it's time to type your prompt. Specificity is your friend here. State the ticker or company name, the time frame you care about, and the focus of your analysis. For example, you might ask for a summary of revenue drivers, margin trends, and major risks based on the documents you just uploaded. If you're investigating valuation, specify the metrics you want, like multiples, growth assumptions, or scenario ranges. Keep your request concise but complete, and reference the uploaded materials so Manus knows to anchor its reasoning in your files. When you're happy with the prompt, click Send. Manus will process your request, read the attached documents, and produce a structured response. Skim the output first for a high-level take, then look for the evidence and reasoning that support each point. If the answer feels too broad, refine your original prompt by narrowing the scope, adding a date range, or naming the exact metrics you want explained. Remember, this workflow is for research and education. It's not financial advice, and you should always verify critical figures against primary sources. That's it. Open the app, start a new analysis, add your local files, craft a precise prompt, and send. With a clear setup and targeted questions, Manus AI becomes a fast, reliable partner for stock research.